Hi guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I have Samsung Galaxy A15 and I want to show you how to manage your Google passwords on this device. Our first step to do that is from main menu we must swipe up the screen and go to the settings to the Google Chrome. In it we press 3 dots on the right corner and now settings, where we have our password manager selection. There we can turn on and turn off some function as save passwords, auto sync in what you want, and we can manage our password with our Samsung member, in this case to our Facebook account. We can press that and there we can copy our email, it's our username in this case, and passwords, and after we press this ice icon our Samsung show us password which remember. We can custom it easily by tap and we can write something we need to change, and we can delete it by trash icon and confirm all by delete passwords. And that's all. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye.